Hello, this is Vivek Huria, corporate chef from ANGT. In India, we make onion gravy. Now, this gravy basically depends on the culture, depend on the region, how they make their gravies. But the basic ingredient always remains the same, which is onion. So they make onion puree and they make gravy out of that. Some are making with tomatoes, some are making with yogurt, some are making with only cashew nut paste. So today I am going to show you three different kind of onion gravy made from our nonions. So I'm going to use today nonions boiled onion paste, Miraya ginger paste, Miraya garlic paste, and cashew nut paste. So this is my boiled onion paste, which is here, and this is my ginger garlic paste, which I have already diluted with water, and this is my cashew nut paste, which I have also diluted with water and churned it nicely so that no lumps will form. So I'm going to make three different kind of gravies with the same nonions boiled onion paste, one with tomato, one with yogurt, and one only with the cashew nut paste. But the base ingredient remains the same, which is nonion boiled onion paste. So we start. Little bit of oil, some whole garam masala, some dry powder spices, basic like red chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder. Now I always recommend that when you are making it in bulk quantity, you must dilute this or soak these powder spices in the water so that it doesn't burn when you put inside this. And a little bit of water so that my spices get cooked. A little bit of salt. So first I'm going to make the onion gravy with tomatoes. So it's pureed fresh tomatoes, around 200 grams. So once my tomatoes gets cooked, I will add Miraya ginger and garlic, which I have already diluted with water. 2 parts of water and 1 part of ginger garlic mixed. I prefer to put after the tomatoes are cooked, because this is already cooked ginger garlic paste and very strong in flavor. So I use it very less. I get nice aroma now. So I have used 200 grams of tomato puree in this, fresh tomato puree, and I'm going to add only 100 grams of boiled onion paste, which is half the quantity of tomato, because my onions are already cooked and concentrated. Just give it a boil, and then I'm going to add my cashew nut paste, which also I have diluted with water, and I'm going to use this now in my onion gravy. So my onion gravy is almost ready now. Next, onion gravy would be with yogurt. So a little bit of oil. In this, we also reduce the usage of oil by 50%, because oil is always used to cook the onions. My onions are already cooked and pureed, so I must use less oil. So I recommend 50% to use. And I have used my dry spices, which is coriander powder, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. So, and water. So once my spices gets cooked, I will add onion puree, and then I will put yogurt so that my yogurt doesn't split out. And so now I will add Miraya ginger garlic paste. So now you see my spices are cooked. I can see oil on top. I will add onion paste, which is half the quantity of the yogurt. So as soon as this gravy starts boiling, I will add yogurt into this. I haven't added salt into this, otherwise my yogurt will split. So yogurt, so once this starts boiling, I will add Miraya cashew nut paste, which I have already diluted with water. So now you can see my aromatic, beautiful onion gravy is ready, which is more yellowish in color because instead of tomatoes I have added yogurt. So in western part of India, in Mumbai, they use yellow gravy with yogurt, but in Delhi, in central part of India, they use yellow gravy or brown gravy with tomatoes. And if you go to Gujarat, they only use onion paste and cashew nut paste to make their gravy. So in different part of India, they use different recipes. So I'm showing you maximum variety which is possible from my side. Now my third onion gravy, which I'm going to show you now. A little bit of oil, some whole garam masala, this is basic 3 powder spices, which is turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder. So some water, and a little bit of salt. And now I'm going to use onion paste. All of it. Miraya ginger garlic paste. Let it cook for some time now. Once it starts boiling, I will add cashew nut paste into this. My gravy is boiling now. I will add Miraya cashew nut paste, which I have already diluted with water. So a little bit of Miraya cashew nut paste. For proper recipe, you can also visit our website angtnonions.com, which is angtnonions.com. You can also visit that. And there's a column you can ask the chef. There are a lot of videos posted on that. You can have a look on that. Third and the last, yellow gravy, onion gravy, brown gravy is ready now. And with that, you can make a lot of other dishes, whatever you want. But these are the basic mother gravies or mother sauces, which I am showing you now here. So these are my basic onion gravies made from boiled onion paste, ginger and garlic paste, Miraya ginger and garlic paste, Miraya cashew nut paste. This is tomato based onion gravy. This is yogurt based onion gravy, and this is only cashew nut based onion gravy.